Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at a AC Pro 3-zone ductless split system for an apartment. These apartments are above garages, so we're on the second floor of this apartment complex. And for the main living room, which is a pretty large room, we were able to put the fan coil in the corner. It is a 12,000 BTU high wall fan coil. Right now the system is on high speed, so it's blowing out the air. It's very, very quiet. I'm gonna move to the back bedrooms here. So we did one in the living room and then two in the bedrooms, a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the daughter's room, and we put a 9,000 BTU unit on this wall right here, which will cool this size bedroom. This system is a 27,000 BTU heat pump condenser outside that runs these 3 fan coils. So we have the 12,000 in the living room, a 9,000 BTU in this room, and then in the other bedroom here, we have another 9,000 BTU unit. So this will cool this apartment very well. They're all set way low right now because we're charging the system, making sure it's working properly, cycling it on high speed, low speed, all that. It is an inverter compressor outside that does multiple speeds. So as the rooms get down to the temperature they want, the speeds will lower on these fan coils to keep them comfortable. Also, it's a very efficient system. It's 23.5 SEER. So it's very, very efficient when you run it, so you don't have to worry about high energy bills. And because each room has its own unit, it's basically a zone system. So you don't also have to worry about trying to cool rooms that you're not in. This room out here is attached to a kitchen on this side over here, and we should get some overflow from that side of the room into this, especially because they have a fan on the wall up there. The other thing that each system has is a remote control right here that would control all your modes. So it does heat, it does cooling, it has an auto mode for heat and cool, so you can set a high and a low, you can program it. You can also turn this system on and off and go straight to turbo mode, which would mean that that's this button right here, turbo. That would mean, say you walked in and it was really, really hot in this apartment and you wanted to cool it down to say 67 degrees. You hit turbo mode, it would go automatically to high speed. It also has the LED light up, so you can light up the screen here. Your different mode button is up here on top. That changes from heat to cool, auto and off. You do have other options here to swing the actual unit there. So you can swing the blade up and down depending on how you want to feel it. And if you press that again, it goes up and down, and you can press it again, it will stop it right there. So you can get the blade to swing down, or you can swing it back up like that, so the air would go across the room. So if you have any other questions about this system, please let us know. Always hit the like button, subscribe to my page for more cool videos about ductless split systems, regular central heating and air conditioning systems, package units on roof, or anything else. Again, this is Nick with Albert Air. You can reach us at albertair.com. You can call us at 714-526-6368. Again, please subscribe to our page and hit that like button when you get a chance. Thank you very much.